Hi, I'm Maury Povich. And this is Tina. Tina, why are you here? Oh, I'm supposed to know? In that case, Tina slept with 8 different guys during the time of her... No close-ups, I told you that. During the time of her fertilization, she slept with 8 different guys.
Don't look at me. Don't look at me.
Yeah. Stay there. Stay in that chair.
I was very high then.
No, you were drunk. Real smart.
I'll kill that freaking
Real smart. I mean, you get knocked up and then you drink.
Yeah.
Your kid's gonna have like, if you figure out who it is, it's gonna be messed up.
Hopefully. Just like you. Oh, done that. We're adults.
And you think he is the father of your baby?
I do, sadly.
Well, do you think you're the father?
I don't even know who she is.
So, you think you're the father?
No, I don't. I don't even know who she is.
You don't know her?
I don't even know who she is.
Then why would you have sex with her? Why would you have sex with her then?
I don't even know who she is. You knew me in bed. Who the hell is this?
Dude, it looks like you.
First child.
He looks like you.
I'll kill it. Not even, he's a grown man.
I see you and him.
I'm touching to the nose.
Oh yeah.
This is all.
You know, what's her name? What's her name?
Tina, you idiot! I don't even know who she is. She's my baby's father's gonna be. You probably saw the 20 guys. You just pick people up.
And the results are in this disguised in this Fins and Scales book. The results are in.
No laughing! It's a serious matter!
What's your name again?
Jeff!
Jeff?
Jeff!
You are the father!
Oh no! Like 20 other Jeffs!
Guess what? You're fathering a baby, and you don't even know the mother. You're no, you have custody now. You have custody.
You want to talk to me?
You want to go? You want to mess with all
No,
Maury?
yeah, I do want to mess with you. I'm going to mess with you, Pop. Yeah, I do. I'm going into labor. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit, going into labor. Going into labor. Your water's going to flow.
It hurts.
Push! 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 Oh, look, it's coming out. It's coming out. Push! I can see. It's a tiger. Who did you have sex with? Tony the tiger?
I'm sorry.
Are you the tiger? You were the father and you're coming out.
That was your problem. I did not.
Dude, that paternity test was given by some of the best paternity test givers this world has ever seen.
Freaking name Jeff. I'm seeing Mario on the street.
Hey, look, I ain't done yet. Look, on the back, it has a scar coming out.
Oh shit.
You have one messed up vagina. You have one messed up vagina.
I can crack it. I can crack it. That's my fault.
Look at this. Your own baby's blood. It's coming out.
No. Stop killing my baby. I didn't do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Make me scream. Look at this. Oh shit. Maury, stop.
Dude, that's sick.
This is horrible. I didn't even do any of this crap. Hi, I'm Alex Vanderpump and I love you.
Shut up. You shut up. You shut up. You're messing with Maury. You're messing with America. Shut up. End the tape. This is not good.